Welcome back or welcome to the channel on today. In today's video, I'm prepping for the holidays, and that means deep cleaning everything, including my cutting boards. I have baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, baking powder, salt, my cutting board oil, and lemons. So let the cleaning begin. I'm starting off with Dawn dishwashing liquid, a little bit of water, using my sponge, and guess what? A lot of elbow grease. I'm making sure to clean the front, the back, and the sides. Remember, if you use this cutting board to cut your meats, juice can drip and contaminate the other sides as well as the handle of your board. So make sure to wash well. Also, if you see knife marks in those grooves, in those crevices, it's an area where bacteria can grow and spread. So scrub, my dear. Scrub away. Cutting boards should be washed by hand. I say never. You heard me? I say never put your cutting boards in a dishwasher. That added water can cause the board to crack and to warp. And those cracks end up becoming breeding grounds for bacteria that can potentially cause food-borne illnesses. So let's do this by hand. Technically, my boards are clean, but I'm taking it one step further. Because if you use your boards to cut onion, garlic, those smells are very strong. So I'm going to make a salt scrub. Generously using my salt, half of a lemon, I'm going to scrub again, front, back, and sides, and trying to get in all of those crevices to remove anything that's on my board. All of my cutting boards have been scrubbed. Now I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I rinse all my boards with hot water, and now I'm going to lay them vertically and let them dry overnight. For my plastic cutting boards, I'm making a small concoction. 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, Dawn, because it's my favorite, and 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. I'm mixing well. I'm going to apply this to all of my plastic cutting boards, and they will sit in my sink overnight. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for coming back week after week to support me here on the channel. So it's the next morning, and I'm simply taking some Dawn dishwashing liquid, my scrubbing brush, and giving all of my plastic cutting boards a good wash and a good rinse. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by the channel on today. My name is Katrina and this is my lifestyle channel. I love sharing my love of things such as this video, a cleaning motivation video, home decor, vlogs, shopping hauls, cooking, baking, and so much more. If this is content that interests you, then you know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. After rinsing, I'm using a clean cloth to dry my cutting boards, and voila, look how brand new and shiny they look. My cutting boards have been drying overnight, and now it's time to give them a good conditioning. I'm applying a food-grade mineral oil using a dry, clean cloth and rubbing in the direction of the wood grain, front, back, and all of the sides. A couple of announcements. Welcome to November. That's right, it's already November, and it's also the start of my holiday giveaway entry period. So I hope you have checked my community tab by now to know that every like and every comment gets you closer to being one of my 3 winners for my Christmas giveaway. I thought I'd just let you know about that. I will let the mineral oil sit for about 1 hour before applying a second coat. And after 1 hour, here are my results. Nice, sanitized, disinfected, and almost brand new looking cutting boards. Just take a look at the before and after. So here's the look at my plastic cutting boards as well. And did you know that the yellow cutting board is for poultry? The green cutting board, vegetables and fruits. The red cutting board is for raw red meat. And the blue cutting board is for raw seafood. White cutting boards, dairy and breads, also known as the universal cutting board if no other cutting boards are available. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel one more time. And I hope this video was motivational, inspirational, and also educational as we prepare for the holiday season 2022. And you know what I say, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video, which is this Friday, 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I show you how I decorate for Thanksgiving, my Thanksgiving tablescape that is 2022. See you then.